Got legislation coming up this week on a really important policy debate all states in the country are going through, whether to expand Medicaid. The Affordable Care Act, President Obama's national health care law, essentially would have required states to expand Medicaid, and if they didn't, would cause them to lose some of their Medicaid money that they now have, which Medicaid is the biggest line item in the state budget. It's over $1 billion a year. So it's big money. Supreme Court said you can't force states to do this. It's unconstitutional. So now all states get to decide. Now, this expansion would provide coverage for up to 60,000 people who now don't have health insurance. The key question is whether the legislature is going to go along with this. Governor Maggie Hassan has essentially indicated she could support it, like to see the state get more leverage with the federal government and try to get more reimbursement for Medicaid as a result. But this is one of those issues where particularly the Republican-led Senate hasn't decided quite how they feel about it. And because of that, the issue is very uncertain. Senate President Peter Bragdon said, we're still looking at this. Over 8 years, it's going to cost the state $85 million, essentially an administrative cost for the first 3 years. The federal government provides 100% of Medicaid reimbursement. After that, up to 90% reimbursement. So that's a cost, and it's difficult in a very tight budget to do it. But there are advantages to expanding Medicaid, certainly. It not only provides more coverage to folks, it actually provides that coverage at a lower reimbursement rate than under national health care, which will essentially require everybody to get insurance. And if people don't get Medicaid, this population will get commercial insurance, which actually is more costly. So in that vein, it could be argued that it's the fiscally prudent thing to do is to expand Medicaid. We really don't know where this issue is going to go. It's going to be a fascinating debate in both the House and the Senate.